Patrick Ewing. Uy! 1 of 1. Boss Hardy. Holy Holy Utah Jazz. 1 of 1. Donovan Mitchell. On a Utah Jazz jersey. And back-to-back Utah hits. 1 of 1. Ano to? Craftsman na itim. 1 of 1 legit. Anong numbered to 10? Anong gold ang hanap? 1 of 1 agad. Boss Hardy. Damn! Tama yan ka na, Stephen Curry. Agawin muna ni Donovan yung trono. 1 of 1. Tingnan nga ulit natin. Donovan Mitchell, Craftsman, 1 of 1. Sheesh! And hit of the night. Grabe naman yun. 1 of 1. Meron pa palang 1 of 1 sa Donruss Hobby. 1 of 1. Donovan Mitchell, Utah Jazz. Boss Hardy, congrats. That's it, guys, for CABB 228 tomorrow.
Okay, and this one, Utah Jazz, bang, kababayan, Jordan Clarkson, kasi ayaw nito ni Bossing. Oy, 75 parallel, oh. Bang, bang. Kulay red, tapos may 75 diamonds. Ganda. Kalain mo. Okay, bawi discount, bawi. Congrats, nandiyan ka ba, Boss Hardy? Congrats. Swerte, naka 1 of 1. Ngayon naman, naka 75 parallel. Kulay red, not numbered. So, basta red dito, hindi numbered. Congrats, Tito. Alright. Ito, gusto ko rin to. 75 parallel na red. Red pa. I don't know kung may ibang kulay ito. For ating kababayan, Jordan Clarkson.
Okay, guys, our first auto. Hoops Inc. ata to. May wagang blocker. Hoops Inc. no? Ganito yun. Good luck, guys. First auto. Hoops Inc. IOK. 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 Isaac Okoro. Ano ba to? Third year? Isaac Okoro. Cleveland. Cleveland. Boss Hardy. Okoro Auto. Kaya pala ay okay. Okay na. Cleveland. Di naman lolong lolo. Okoro Auto. Display natin yan. Isaac Okoro. Second box. Pwede na yan, Papi. Papi Hardy. And our 2 autos. Grabe, grabe yung mga auto natin. Isaac Okoro and Rudy Gobert. Ayan. Display nga natin itong dalawang to. Boss Hardy. Thank you again, guys, for joining, watching here at Card Ad.
Bomb Squad. Donovan to. Donovan Mitchell. Cavaliers to, ah. Bomb Squad, Donovan Mitchell. Laser. Maganda yung Bomb Squad. Maganda ang ginawa tong ano. Super short print. Congrats, Boss Harley. May Bomb Squad ka na. Paris. Bomb Squad na naman. Cavaliers. Evan Mobley. Congrats, Boss Hardy. Pangalawa. Recap tayo. Ang ating mga bomb squad. Ating 5 bomb squad. Evan Mobley. Donovan. That's it, mga boss. Have a Good night. Always stay safe. Peace. God bless. Thank you for supporting the Kadalang Box Break. Peace. And a LeBron James. Pure players. Lakers. Congrats. Maganda kaya ang laruan ni Chet Holmgren. Williams, LeBron James.
Curtains, baliktad, not Trae Young. Nice one for the Atlanta Hawks. Sino Atlanta Hawks natin, bros? ATL. Hanapin ko lang. Atlanta Hawks. Random kasi, bros. Kung paano ko rin random, ganun ko rin nilagay sa sa sheets. Pero nice to, guys. Personal PC. Alright. Lang natin, recap lang natin, hits natin. Congrats sa lahat. Last pack na yun, bros. Trae Young. Right, congrats, bros. Thank you, guys, sa mga support. Congrats sa mga naka-hit. Thank you, guys, for joining this free break. Maraming salamat talaga sa support nyo, bros. See you on the next break.
At si Donovan Mitchell, Fractal, Shockwave, Cleveland natin. Boss Hardy, sakto sa PC mo yan, papi. Ganda ng Galactic ni Jalen Green, oh. Ang ganda.
Donovan Mitchell, Artist Proof. Nice hit, Boss Hardy. Recap. All in all, good break tayo, mga bossing. Donovan Mitchell. Sana maganda. Okay, checkerboard tayo, mga bossing. Vetton, di rookie. Sana maganda. Kulay Miami to, Boss Carlo DM. Cavaliers. Boss Hardy. Nako, pag nag-Donovan to, grabe. Magpapasilog to. Nako po, hindi nga. Caris LeVert pa. Science, oh. Science. Caris LeVert, checkerboard. And for the Cavaliers, Donovan Mitchell, Purple, My House, Cleveland, Boss Hardy. Congrats. And Rock the Rim, Donovan, Cleveland, another hit, Boss Hardy.